Hello students, today we're going to solve a completing square past paper questions from O-level Mathematics Day syllabus. This question is taken from May-June 2021, question 21, and it's from variant 1-2. So the part A of these questions tell us to write a quadratic equation which is x squared plus 10x plus 6 into form x plus a whole square plus b. So this is a comparing square math. So we have to convert this quadratic equation into a comparing square form. So first we need to find a, then we need to find b. To find a, we have to identify the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in this math is plus 10. So if we take the half of plus 10, we get plus 5. So plus 5 is a. Okay. So we can write x plus 5 whole square, and we will subtract 5 and its square from this. Okay. And the constant plus 6 will remain as it is, which is plus 6. Then we will further simplify this expression x plus 5 whole square minus 25 plus 6. So finally this equation becomes x plus 5 whole square minus 19. Here plus 5 is a and minus 19 is b. Part B of this question tell us to solve x square plus 10x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so this is basically same equation. Okay, so part B, x square plus 10x plus 6 equals to 0. We need to solve this. So we can write this in completing square form done in part A, which is x plus 5 whole square minus 19 equals to 0. Okay, so then we'll make x plus 5 square, and we move this minus 19 to right side, so it becomes plus 19. So then we will subtract x plus 5, so plus minus root 19. Okay, so the opposite of square is square root. So then we'll move plus 5 to right side, so it becomes minus 5 plus minus root 19. So this is our answer. So here p is minus 5 and q is 19. Thank you students.